Now I'm in biotope called Asaba Biotope. Here it's placed in Sakado City, Saitama Prefecture, Japan. You can come here by train from the center of Tokyo by 1 hour riding train. It's it's more or less around 45 minutes train riding from the center of Tokyo. Here is the sign. What we can see in here, lots of animals and plants. Kingfisher, eagle, lots fishes, dragonfly. This biotope is governed by the Sakado City, placed along the Koma River, spread out along Koma River. That's a Koma River. I'm gonna show you. It's relatively clean, nice river. There is so many fishes, especially I don't know what can I say in English, but in Japanese, ayu. It's a delicious fish, river fish. So we can catch them in this river to eat. I might come entering here and show you the more picture of the spider net. Oh, there is a lots of spider net. This biotope is here. Yep. That's another scenery of this river, Koma River. Flow from the mountain region of Saitama to the center of Tokyo. The river mouth is located in just center of Tokyo, flowing into the Tokyo. This river. Distance from the source of river to the mouth in Tokyo is around, I think, 100 kilometers or more. Sorry if my information is incorrect. Once I kayaked this river from more upper side to the mouth in Tokyo, mid of Tokyo. I need around 1 week to done. I put my tent into the kayak, and I every day looked at camping site along the Koma River, and then I took the 1 week to done. You can see the mountains over there around Chichibu. The source of this river is there. Spider. Butterfly. That butterfly is invasive species. Those are male and female of spider. I'm not sure, but if not, I think it's not common to nest two spiders. Dragonfly, red dragonfly, Japanese akatombo. It's walnut. Acorns. Hauled from this tree, fallen from this tree. This is an entire picture of this, entire map of this biotope, and here is, and what I showed you was along this side. Here, the spider was, and I'm gonna go along this path. That's a view from the sky. We have a season of red spider lily. In Japanese, it's called higambana. The name higambana is related to the meaning of Buddhism. There is river separating between our current world and the heaven, or the world for if we gonna die, we will go to there. And Hikambara means the flower of another shore. That means the flower of the heaven world. Here's a narrow stream. We see the lots of small fishes there, and also we see in here lots of birds, especially in it's so beautiful. Kingfisher is here. Sometimes I can't see. Also red spider of lily. It's called lily, but technically it's not lily. Another species. Kameyanagi. Red spider lily is a species endemic in Japan. Many beautiful red flower along the narrow stream. It doesn't have a seed. This doesn't have a seed. Dragonfly, small one. It has a poison in the roots, its roots. Lots of icons in here. Here's a calm, silent place in weekend. People are coming here to enjoy the silence. I saw a lot of amateur photographer to take birds It's a sanctuary of birds. I got down here to the stream. I hope there is fishes. Here I can't see the fishes, but usually there is many fishes, young fishes. Now I'm here. I'm next coming into the woods. I hear the insects of fall season. Can you hear? It's a season between the summer and the fall. Nature is under something mixed state. Here is a bamboo. Can I still go ahead? Maybe, I'm not sure. There is so many not bush, grasses inhibiting my progress or not. I might be able to go through this path. Whoa. It's a kind of small adventure, isn't it? Trees. Whoa, spider net. I want captured by you. I want to be captured by you. Another nice shaped tree. It's nice for climbing. I do not want to come into this bush, but there is nothing another way. I have to go through here, but it is a nature. Ooh. I want to find something new, something nice of nature in here. Also nice tree, nice shaped tree. I can hear the song of bird. It might be Gabicho, Japanese name. I heard that she is flying from the China. Might be. It's not accurate information. I just heard it. They are traveling from China. Not sure. Spider. I have to cut. Sorry. This wood has a snake. Ooh. Acorns. It's a free biotope, free park to come. You can come here from the station, Sakado Station on the Tobu-Tojo Line for 15 minutes by walk. So relatively easy way to come. If you arrive Tobu-Tojo, if you take Tobu-Tojo Line from Ikebukuro Station, which is along the Yamanote Circle Line. The train will come here directly, so you do not need to transfer to another train. He can come here just by one train. 45 minutes ride, and then take a walk to here. 15 minutes. Asaba Biotope. I'm gonna continue take the movie to show you. Can you hear your like just walking with your own foot, seeing this movie? Our whole season is almost over. You see? It's Sagi. It's a Japanese name. He's waiting beside the river, fish coming, just silently, not moving. Fixed his body patiently. I'm not sure he is doing that with patience, but finally he can catch his food, fish, dinner. Here's the end of this park. This path is nice. My favorite path along the Koma River. Koma River is there. Seeing river is so nice. It's a bit difficult to walk. Mountain I can see. Walking through the bushes. cut the nest, spider's nest there. Whoa. Spider. Well, I hope he bite me. He don't. Oh, another spider net. I should give up through this path. I'm gonna back. And I'm gonna show you the river bed of Koma River. Here's a river bed. So I'm gonna finish this video. See you